Good morning. This is Video Journal 1 for broadcast sales. The question is, or the discussion is, please describe the course goals and expectations that you have, and please respond with your goals and learning expectations of this course. Well, as Miss Amy, you discussed in your opening summary of the course, no one expects to come into the broadcast program and to be a part of sales. However, in most industries, not only broadcasting, but just about in every industry that we live in, or that we have, if you have a product and you can manufacture or make a product, or you have a great product, but there is no one to buy it, or there's no one to go out and sell it and find those people to buy it, then you're kind of making that product in vain. So sales, in my opinion, is very important. It is the business side of all industries. I expect it to be the business side in the broadcasting industry, because as you go out and solicit, advertising and campaigns for advertising, those monies come in and they help, number one, pay the bills, keep the lights on. They also allow, pay for the talent that's able to come in and do those programs that the radio or the TV program may have on air. And so the business side is very important. So sales is very important. With sales, it also allows you to see how the complete industry works. You'll have, it's easier to know how to do your programming if you know how the sales is going to work, or who the salespeople are going to need to be marketing to. And that's going to make it sometimes easier to plan those programs. And of course, at the completion of this course, this sales course, hopefully I will know how to evaluate the sales process using the ASCOP system that we're learning about. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to explain as well as demonstrate the 6 steps of selling as it relates to broadcast. And then I'm hoping that from this course that I'll be able to plan as well as be able to present an advertising campaign. In sales, I look forward to learning how the business works, learning how the revenue rolls in, and how we continue to keep it rolling in. So that's what I look forward to in this particular sales class. Thank you so much for listening.